Hi guys, I am glad to meet you by my channel. Today we are going to see about a best-in-class app by Google, that is Keep Notes. So in this era we are busy with our online classes, and also we can't in all time we can't be ready with the paper and pen. In that cases we can use this Google Keep app. That will be very useful. For example, in the left bottom you can see the 4 options. In the first option, the box option is for taking the notes by bulletins like that. Once you fix the first point, then tap on list item. Yeah, you can done another point, okay, like this. So if it is going wrong, then you just delete it by clicking the mark X. Okay, this one. And in this note, every note you have taken, it is not to be saved manually. Just go back, it will be added to the list. Okay, then another feature is drawing something you want to draw. Okay, like this. So you can draw and you can save. So in all these recordings or images for drawings, you can give the title and also the description. Okay, then in this third option, now I can't do the recordings because I am already doing the screen recording. In this feature, if you record with the supported languages, what are in the record, that will be transcribed here. In this I have just spoken that hi guys, happy to see you, give your valuable support and your sharings like that. But in this there will be no any punctuation, just the words we have set will be transcribed here. So if you want other clarification, you just make the playing of the recordings and you can get the details more. Okay, so in the last option, we can take the photo directly or we can choose the image like that. Now I am going to choose the image. So we can edit the image by choosing this brushing option like this. Here also with this we can crop and other things we can do. Okay, so the taking picture option is very much useful because if you are suddenly going to somewhere, you can take the picture, but we can't add the description into that files into that file. So in that time this will be more helpful. I'm a travel freak, you know, so I used to take more photos, but I have to add the description. But so without description I will forget where I have taken like this, what is the plans like that. So I can add via this. So Keep Notes, the app by Google, is very much useful for online classes and other occasions. You can take all word type notes, image type notes, but the only happens is we can't take the video type notes. Otherwise all are possible. You can do very much and rock with your online classes. Thank you.